it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Hey, be mine. Ought to be mine. Won't kill me. My neighbor. Yeah. What's up? Oh. It's Ralph's birthday! Garbage day! Peace out, guys! I can't stand straight. Oh, fuck up. I got a slight headache too, it's bad. Breathe out! Hey, Autumn! Hey, Ava! Wait, what? Yeah, we got a new microwave piece? Sick. It's nothing and something, that's cool. That's supposed to be the Eiffel Tower?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, subscribe for new for latest content. Click like if you enjoyed, let me know. And you'll see me in the next one. Yeah, Thor went to bed a long time ago. And I'm about ready to do the same. So, yeah. Anyways. Peace out guys. Stay awesome.